Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkLaTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkLaTexHomepage.com app. And as we look at the weather pattern, you can see a cold front which is going to stall out over the northern sections of the area tonight and then begin to slowly inch its way through the area during your Friday. An area of low pressure will develop along this front and also move through the region. And as it does push through, we will see the likelihood of showers and some thunderstorms. Severe weather risk looking rather low at this point, and I'll show you where that chance for severe weather will occur here in a second. In the meantime, as this frontal system approaches, temperatures tonight will stay above normal as we're looking at lows ranging from 55 in Idabel to 64 in Shreveport, 63 in Texarkana, and 63 also in Natchitoches. Daytime highs tomorrow. Where the front moves through sooner, obviously it won't be nearly as warm. We'll see highs ranging from 59 in Idabel to 73 for the high tomorrow in Natchitoches, looking at 70 for the high in Shreveport, probably early afternoon. And in Texarkana, your high temperature during the morning will be at 66. And once the front moves through, we should see temperatures behind the front fall through the 60s and into the 50s. In Shreveport by sunset, we should be in the 50s behind that cold front. Here's what that front could bring as far as showers and thunderstorms. As we look at Robin started Futurecast, you can see that for the rest of the day today, as well as this evening, main focus of showers and thunderstorms will be across the northern sections of the area. Most of the heavier showers and thunderstorms will likely hold off until tomorrow. You can see by noon, scattered areas of showers and thunderstorms across the area. And by noon, we will see that cold front. You can clearly see the blue arrows moving into Shreveport as that front will be very close to Shreveport by noon tomorrow. Going through the afternoon, we'll see that front and the associated storms move out over into central Louisiana and parts of Mississippi. We'll be left with a few showers, perhaps heading into the evening hours as the cooler air moves in. But the heaviest in terms of thunderstorms will gradually move out probably during the afternoon from west to east. Friday night looking cloudy as the cooler air moves in. Saturday we'll start with some clouds, but we'll likely see some sunshine as we work our way into the afternoon. And with that cloud cover sticking around for much of the morning, temperatures probably will stay a bit on the chilly side and probably stay in the 50s for highs across the region for Saturday. And you can see the quiet conditions heading into Saturday night. Now, as far as instability, where we will see that chance, the highest as far as thunderstorms, you can see midnight tonight. Again, the areas of green is where we might have some instability supporting some thunder in spots. But it looks like tomorrow, notice the darker areas of green south of Shreveport there, down towards Toledo Bend. That is where, if we're going to have any strong storms that may reach severe limits, that's the area of the ArkLaTex where that risk will be highest, obviously where the front moves through a bit later. And then as we look at the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, you can see that is also the area that the Storm Prediction Center indicates will be the main focus for the possibility for some strong to severe thunderstorms. And again, the main issue that we probably will be dealing with, if, again, that's a big if, we have any severe weather tomorrow, and that would be straight line winds, basically south of Shreveport down towards Toledo Bend is where that could happen. Rainfall potential, most of the area, I would suspect around a half an inch or so. We could have some spots that pick up anywhere from an inch to an inch and a half. Those areas of green is where Futurecast shows the best chance of seeing an inch. Again, given the fact we've already seen some rain across the north, that's one area. Also here across the southern sections of the ArkLaTex, that's where tomorrow's storms could be a bit on the stronger side. Now here's the disturbance which is going to push through, producing the showers and thunderstorms in its wake. Nice weather for the weekend and Monday. And then another disturbance digs into the middle of the country. Still a great deal of doubt, I think, as to whether or not we'll even see any rain with this disturbance come Tuesday. But notice another disturbance moving into the Pacific Northwest here by Tuesday afternoon. That's going to dig southward. The southwesterly flow sets up. That's going to, with this ridge popping up here across the Gulf of Mexico, that's going to warm us up now, the way it looks right now for Thanksgiving. But with the southwesterly flow, we'll see lots of clouds and a chance pretty much each day of a little bit of rainfall. Probably we'll have to wait until next Saturday to see things change in terms of another cold front arriving and again another cool down with some stronger thunderstorms. So here's your 7-day forecast for Shreveport. Again, tomorrow, 70, probably pretty close to lunchtime, falling into the upper 50s by sunset. Upper 50s for highs Saturday. Not too bad Sunday, mid-60s, 70s by Monday. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, again, very low rainfall chances with quite a bit in terms of clouds next week. And you can see most of next week looking relatively warm, with highs mainly in the 60s and 70s and lows mainly settling into the 40s and 50s. And Texarkana, again, thunderstorms tonight, tomorrow. Nice weekend with, again, quite a bit of sunshine. You too will have a low-end chance for some rain as we head towards Thanksgiving. So all in all, it looks like some thunderstorms on the way for your Thursday night and Friday. Some locally heavy rain is possible. A severe thunderstorm possible as well, mainly across the southern sections of the area. And then behind this system, things looking pretty nice for the weekend.